We want to talk to you about service. Service at your local automotive shop versus service at Northwest Lexus. How would you describe service at your local automotive shop? Let me guess, a less than luxury experience? Why not get the best for you and your Lexus with the Northwest Lexus Difference? Let's start with a set of Michelin all-season tires from $1,260. Here's what's included. Lexus factory trained technicians, exterior wash and interior vacuum, complimentary loaner vehicle, complimentary valet service, and complimentary shuttle service. Our goal is to provide superior service at the best value. Book your Lexus in today to experience the Northwest Lexus Difference.